Good afternoon everyone, Gaz from Siromer Workshop. Just received this 40 horsepower back in part exchange for a 50 horsepower MK. Now this is going to be serviced before it goes back into sale, but one of the important jobs that we do is, especially while it's so cold at the moment, is check the antifreeze. So if you just want to come along for the journey, and we'll show you just how we do it. This is the tester that I use. As you can see, there are 6 discs inside it. Each one, as they drop into the liquid, represents the strength of the antifreeze that's in the mix. So what we'll do now is take a sample and we'll see what strength we've got. As you take the cap off, an early indication to whether it's a good mix or a poor mix is the filler cap itself. If the cap is rusty, this can indicate that there's either just pure water in there and it's being rotting down, or the strength of the antifreeze is too strong, which again is too acidic and it makes it break the metal down. Before testing your antifreeze, please do make sure that the engine is cold or cool enough to take the top off. We put our tester into the top of the radiator. We give the top a little bit of a squeeze and just enough water out the radiator to fill the tube. As you can see, the discs rise, and then the discs start to fall. You can see here 3 discs are actually beginning to descend, so that's a good indication that the protection for this tractor is 3 disc protection, which is -10 to -23. The range goes 1 to 6, 6 being not safe, i.e. too strong. Depending on the area that you live in is dependent on what weather and what type of frosts you'll be expecting, and you can gauge that and use this accurately to make sure that your tractor is fully protected with the correct mixture. If it's time to service your tractor and check its antifreeze, why don't you give us a ring and we'll sort out a nice service pack for you at a competitive price. Just give one of our sales team a phone call or give us an email. We'll reply to you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.